Hi guys, so if you need to disassemble your Shark Turbo Blade fan for cleaning, maintenance or storage, the good news here is that the process is fairly simple and it doesn't require many tools. So first of all, you need to start by turning off and unplugging it from the power outlet. Then you just have to simply remove the fan head from the main pole. So depending on your model, this usually involves pressing the release button or loosening the locking mechanism near the connection point. Now, once the fan head is separated, you just have to simply remove the front grille. Most of the Shark Turbo Blade models use the clips or the locking tabs around the edge. So you just have to carefully release them one at a time to avoid any damaging the plastic housing. Now, after removing the grille, you just have to simply access the blades. Now, if your model allows the blade removal, you just have to gently unscrew or unlock the blades assembly according to the locking mechanism. Then with the blades removed, you just have to do nothing but to just simply clean away the dust, the debris using a microfiber cloth and the soft brush. So once you are finished, you just have to simply reverse the steps, like you need to reinstall the blades, then secure the grille, then you just have to reconnect the fan head, make sure that all the locks and the clips are fully engaged before you power it on. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.